Back again with another video vlog. Today is, what's today? Thursday. And I decided to just, go ahead and get this video done. It's the evening now and I have to go cook dinner, but I want to pop in and just recap my day with you. So I think in the last video I mentioned that I was going to go ahead and get a consultation for a chiropractor, and also I might have mentioned massage, but that just made my day. This making that decision to go and um, just be proactive in trying to alleviate and get rid of some of this pain that I'm going through. I decided to try chiropractic care again and massage therapy, and it was perfect. Like, the care that I got from the receptionist to the chiropractor herself to the massage therapist, oh my gosh, they took care of me. They took care of your girl. So I am just so satisfied with how I feel right now. It feels like my shoulders are not as tense because they were like up here, and I had so much tension back here from my neck. And while I was feeling the flare kind of wear down, fibromyalgia flare, um, and I was feeling better, but I was still in pain upon waking up and just moving around. And I couldn't stand long, I couldn't sit long, and these are all the things that I told the chiropractor, and she adjusted me really quickly, actually. She took a lot of notes, she listened, and then shipped me off to get a Swedish massage, which I have never had a Swedish massage. Yeah, a Swedish massage. I've never had a Swedish massage. And I normally go to a day spa, every so often I'll treat myself and I'll go get a massage. Sometimes it's deep tissue. Um, I think deep tissue is probably the only type of massage that I've gotten. I take that back. It's another type, but I can't recall the name of it. And yeah, I can't recall the name of it. But the massage therapist that wow, I was just surprised. Like, I that was the best massage I ever received, ever, in my entire life, from a professional massage therapist. And yes, gonna go back. And I never went to a facility where they provide chiropractic care and a massage. No, I take that back. I've been to a facility, but it's not like a whole table, undress you, like a whole spa thing. Um, I've never been to a place like that, so I was in for a treat. I was in for a treat, but right now I am sore. I need ice. I've been icing my neck, which is normal. This is a normal part of getting chiropractic care for pain management. You kind of have to endure the adjustment, like it's pain kind of comes with it. Soreness, I should say, comes with being adjusted. And she had to adjust my neck like a lot because she was like, you really needed this, because I was getting so much pain in my neck and tingling up my head and just tingling my arms, and weakness in my shoulders and arms. I was pretty jacked up, but she really did take her time and really adjusted me. And the table that I got on in her office was different from any table that I've ever been on. It kind of moved. I laid on my stomach and it kind of moved me like this. and she was able to adjust me while the table was moving me like this. And that was different. Um, and I'm always nervous when I meet new doctors, and especially chiropractic care, because you have to be careful with chiropractic care. There are some horror stories out there, but I kind of prayed about all of this before I went in, and I just was like praying, like, just I need someone that's good and that's going to take care of me and provide me some relief. And that's exactly what happened today. And I made my appointment for my next session so fast when I got out of there. I was like, this is worth every dollar, every penny. And yes, a chiropractic. So for fibromyalgia, this is only my first treatment, and like I feel great. Like I was able to cook. When I came home, I was really hungry, and I was able to cook standing on my feet. I didn't feel any pain in my lower back. I didn't feel any pain in my shoulders and my neck. Just feeling my body was like really, really relaxed. It's still pretty relaxed, but now it's like my neck is sore. Um, but yeah, I think this is going to be good for my pain management with living with fibromyalgia. I think being proactive, I'm going to, what do you call it? I'm going to put this in my regimen for self care, chiropractic, massage therapy, um, and probably going to go back to doing physical therapy as well. If not physical therapy, if I can't, if the doctor doesn't, extend that, then I'll probably end up working with you call those people, um, a trainer, a physical trainer. So that pause and the can't find my words. That's called fiber fog. Like you have like cognitive stuff with this condition. So bear with me. Not slow. I just sometimes have a hard time finding my words. But anyways, my day, I had a great day. I had a great day. And right now, I'm gonna go and try. I just did my makeup, just playing around. I felt like doing something because I know I've been coming over on to my channel looking like what happened, looking pretty rough, if I want to be honest with myself. I'm usually like a really girly girl, like get up, get dressed, put your makeup on, keep your hair done type of person. I haven't been doing much to my locks since the flare up. I tried to put rollers in it during the flare up, but when I took them out, the curls didn't last that long, and I just didn't feel like putting them back in there. But really and truly, my hair needs to be washed and conditioned. It's so dry, and put my curls back in there because I really like wearing my locks in curls. Let's see what else. That is all I want to share right now. I am homeschooling my kids, and this is, we're off to a start, and pretty much pretty independent um, with the online stuff that they have. I just tell them, okay, today is science day and math day. You do XYZ amount of modules or boxes or assignments. I assigned it to them, and I just, if they need my assistance, that's when I help them. Um, Unless we do like a reading assignment, that's this when I'll go in and we'll read and teach, or a writing assignment. So homeschooling is going on right now, recovering from a horrible fibro flare up is going on. I also have a online business where I sew or I sell things on Etsy that I've sewn. Um, and I think it was the other day I had to turn down this really big order. Someone ordered 22 sewn items from me, and I was like, I can't do it. And they wanted it by a certain time, and I know right now for the past, I want to say 2, 3 months, I was so busy. The orders were coming in so fast for masks, for head wraps, for all of that stuff, and it was so stressful but exciting at the same time because I'm doing something that I love, so it doesn't really feel like work, but then it kind of does. Um, my husband was actually helping me at the time with putting items onto the mask. Well, we were making face mask, but with a business logo or whatever design that they wanted. And he was doing all that because he he has a t-shirt business, and I have a Cricut, and he knows how to do all of that stuff. So he was working from home because when the pandemic started, he was sent home. A bunch of people was sent home to work from their home, and so he was able to help me a lot more. But then he went back to work, and I was still getting all these orders. I was like, "Ooh, now you got to show me how you do these designs on the computer so that I can do the same thing." It's so much work because we can literally take any picture, anything you send us, and put it onto a mask. Your face, your baby's face, whatever art design, whatever. Just, but it takes so much work and cutting out that photo and making it perfect so that the machine can read it and cut it out. So it's a lot of work, and I had to turn down a really huge order. Yes, it was yesterday. I think it was yesterday morning when I was like, I can't. Still in pain, and it hurt me to turn down such a huge order, but I had to because my health comes first, and yeah, my health comes first, so I had to turn that down. And I really want to try to get myself back into where I'm not in so much pain, because that pain can bring on psychological stuff where you're like sad and depressed or anxious or angry, and just dealing with all of that, I just could not with a huge order. And yes, the order could have been a distraction, but it takes effort, and I have to sit for long periods of time, and it's not like I'm sitting on a couch with pillows. I'm actually on top of a stool because my sewing table is high, and I was like, I can't do it this time. But it is what it is. Um, sure, I'm gonna get back to. I'm hoping to get back to sewing, and just working on my physical stuff right now, getting back to um, feeling better all around. So I am very blessed, though. I thank God that I got through another flare, getting through another flare, and found like the perfect chiropractor and massage therapist, and hoping to continue on this journey to find out what works best, living with this chronic debilitating illness or disease or syndrome, I should say syndrome, and just keeping up with that. But that's all I wanted to talk about. This video is almost 15 minutes, and I just feel like I want to try to make like short vlogs, but it never works out because I'm a Virgo, and my moon sign is it's a talkative sign, and I like to go on. I keep going. But I'm going to end this video and hope and pray that everybody keeps safe, and protect your mental, protect your, um, guard your heart, and just continue to pray and be positive. And I'm going to do the same. For those of you who are dealing with flare or anything chronic in this time, I know it's hard, but just continue to keep pushing forward, you know. Maybe even share. You have to have people, you have to have a support group with this, dealing with this, because even if you're married, you need somebody or some people that understand what you're going through. So, like, there are a lot of like little communities and stuff you can join online, and also talking to a psychologist, a therapist, about what you're going through. That definitely helps. So it's you have to have a system in place when dealing with chronic illnesses, chronic diseases, chronic syndromes, chronic pain. In dealing with that, you have to have like the system in place, um, to support you on this journey, and also you have to have, the mindset that you're gonna be proactive in also accepting of where you are, and this is what it is right now, and just moving in a positive mindset. And I know that can be hard. It's easy to say, easier said than done, as they say. But I'm just so grateful to have a bunch of people, family members, and friends that care about me. I've been getting calls, check-in calls to see how I'm doing, and that's been so. This it counts. It means a whole lot when people just call you and say, "Hey, how are you doing?" It made my day yesterday. I think, it was yesterday. My grandmother called me, and she is in the early stages of dementia or Alzheimer's. She knew who I was. I talked to her on Face Chat Duo, I think it's called, and oh my gosh, that made my entire day. She asked me how I was doing. My auntie asked me how I was doing, and that just made my day. Like, I just love I love my grandma so much. So that's see 15 minutes. It's 17 minutes now. We're gonna cut this short. Enjoy the rest of your Thursday or whenever you're watching this, and I'll talk to you guys in the next video.